Mr. President the other day, when he was signing the budget, Mr. President said, this budget is unimplementable. And Mr. President went and signed something that's unimplementable. Che, President. You know this thing is unimplementable. He went and signed it. A budget that will determine the economy, the progress of this nation. And Mr. President knew this thing can't work. He signed it. Then the letter act, he said he won't sign because direct primary will be too expensive. What do you concern me and party primary? What do you concern me? What do you concern poor people with the party primary? The one where concern poor man, the one where concern businessman, how to grow the economy, you sign them, even though you know so they go work. The one where the youth politicians are at the fight, he said they go sign. I'm not gonna say how this country now. This look when I see the country where we did. National Assembly connive with Mr. President. Senator Taz is here. They connive with Mr. President. You know what they did? Mr. President, now you said you don't want that problem, it's okay, we'll remove it. But Mr. President, sign our budget too. Even when Mr. President knew the budget was padded. So, take your own, I take my own. Look at the budget. The budget was so padded because of election. Because of election coming up 2023. You have a budget of 6,000 something projects in a budget. Tell me how. In any part of this world, 6,000 something projects in one budget. How does it work? How does it work? It's a budget of every car, it didn't car.